No divisions, no factions, it is over.
Women empowerment. Ebusia ene ye da story ya home kasem a yensa aka ne se eye the Ghana Bar Association oma elected Oba as their first female president. Aha let's talk GH rumors. So and any first time I wa popping into this video I must say oba subscribe dey amame na afi wa click on notification bell ne so say the be am uploading new video bia onsa ebetimi aka. Nebusia eye mami ya ye electing as the first female president for the Ghana Bar Association, or ye the wife of the second Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Minister of Justice and Attorney General, eye Jogati Neyore, nti akwaya homekasempa because in the history of Ghana, Oba enye president for that association that eye Ghana Bar Association no. Ye kwasha ma mene ma ye ba ye beto aso.
The bar has spoken. And from this day forward, it is a united bar in service. No divisions, no factions, it is over. It is time that we put our shoulders to the plow and work to deliver what we believe should be the bar in progress. This indeed is something new, something novel, that the bar, for the first time, has entrusted leadership to the ladies. And I know that with God's help, we shall make you proud. We shall serve you with all our ability. And we shall make sure that you will never, never regret this choice.
Ebusiana homekasema e wo no eye Ghana Bar Association. Omo first ever president oyo Oba eno ene eye Barrister Efwagati. Yeni ajepa na yenim se in the history of Africa and even in Ghana no. Aya ananka yenim se tete no ema ye position eye kitchen. But right now it's like the narrative is changing. Emma play a lot of impact in the society. Akoya homekasempa because we share history. Nima who say Emma bebre abedi the positions are. Ama enija basa ye be promote the girl child. Ama ono so abeye nipa titiri ewo manyimu. Ye nim say a lot of positions na ya na mema ye dominant. Mema take a lot of positions. So organizations be brema. Obekoni di bra kese akese no eye mema ne di ho enso sisi ade ma ne bi ya ade a ye bese say ye bema ema the chance to also explore na ye ko Ghana history ma ye wo makukudam bia omo aba no ma be di so abe di positions akese a o ma ye very well. Yeah, they did very well e position na ye de ma omo na even now in the Parliament of Ghana okwa ema be 20 and a city. So not to talk of a ma doing very well a year or positions I had dear mom. Your Bible to say Honorable Esla Owusu, Honorable Howard Kumsen, Mame Dokas, a photo fe, a ma be brave and a position they are really doing well. Parliament for Osha, that's all your buy, show cry now we are for cry. The show will say, Mammy swimming promote me bay, na me baby, a bit to me about ye bibi papa be that she a day a mammy. Now, a no crown nanche no ye be ready about some virtuous women, some powerful women now, my ba echo, a my bedi positions echo. A be any a year Betty mode Idrisu. Yes, mammy, or no, in the history of Ghana, she was the first woman attorney general and minister of justice. Yes, nice a woman we. Abi play a lot of impact on some of us. Just say ye shemwa e she ye nkwan say e yenso ye yere ye ho a ye betimi aba be ye bibi. EC chair ye former EC chair. Mrs. Charlotte say ye nyina ye nim so ono so e be di ni dibre ni ye pa, and currently even the EC chair ono so esa ye oba a ni din e de Jane Mensa ono so e jire ne ho pa. She's doing well in her field. Yes, also oba bi to say Joyce Banfo Ado. Joyce Banfo Ado or a Ghanaian barrister and judge and will make history for being the first female Speaker of Parliament. Yes. And I say, Mama means so a play impact ye pa a mass so a camera question make us about just the parliament, the politicians. No, who call even ya mamemo market women, they are really doing well. Ube who say ye mamemo no microfinance for no. Omo first can ma me manu bebree no e manage pa because oma obaska ohu ha wa obetutu no ye ma me no no oma gilon se go om so mutua accordingly. It's women and kasa are very powerful for the society, and if you train one woman what training a whole nation. Make na me mpench let's say koto uba be ma saram da bi e mema e very powerful dada from nature. Nyankopon started bo ade no oma mema dominant. Iti mema de naturally they are powerful, but e kamia koye say ye bu ye ni egu e man so side eso. So woman oba position a on obetimi aye adwuma na ye ni ye because e ma wa badaye. We have the heart ye hu ade a enya na ye hu ye basabasa nti ye tumi ye ni aye ni ye. Aha, let's talk GH woman. So, many first time I want to pop into my video. Make sure you say subscribe, dear mommy. No, I click on notification bell on it. So, say the be ya. Danny then you know me uploading new video be on sa ebitimi aka. Na e mammy no be a me hu man na chese meni Japan eye Zinato Rollins. Anytime ya nkoma they are really doing well. Omo papa legacy na wo jai na ye Dr. Sajifo Kwame Nkrumah legacy na Ujaye no. In fact, ne mana etwasu ye pa. Samia Nkrumah is really doing well for Jomoro constituency. Enya sem kitwa kwa sanso na Zenato enso jeni die ye. These women are really playing a lot of impact on we the ladies. Our more say it is really important and necessary to train a girl child. I will train your bar, what training a whole nation. Ebusia asemi ebeto jano akos pake a lot of excitement ewo social media. Ukopiemu ewo Instagram enkofo eni ageni titru pa eni ema mu chire mu achese eyo mu de yie se mami etumi abeni asa di brain. One user nidin any phenomenal nyaniba or say your achievement has sparked a ray of optimism in all of us, and we are truly proud of you. Ifwa na chese on de ochema mama no a position na wenyan e hye nkwan ye pa ma ye mu bi na ye ni agye amane pa afen so Miss _ Laurentia ono so say the future is female. That's on what chirema dache eyo ba afen so another user nidin any dufie bookland or say women in power and wode love emojis etwatwas. So another user needing any holiday _rich1 or say so we will have first ever female vice president in Ghana too. Then so we do chema or kamia koye say ye NDC for and I choose a year vice presidential candidate or your band say indirectly or say a possible say you benya a year vice president or yoba and ebusia. We are even hoping that a day will come your president ebe yoba and no ebe share my crime pass say women are indeed powerful. Aha, let's talk GH rumors. So remember first time I'll pop into my video, I make sure say over subscribe dear mommy. Ma dani den na mu follow me so nyame nhia mo nyame kan say train your girl child to become powerful in the society. Bidin ene na nepia santwa. Macron.
Cause you love me like I love you, touch me like I touch you. I don't think about you every night. You over me, girl, I know what lie. Cause you kiss me like I kiss you. I say me sabuwa, uni suwa, na mi suoi. Ora sewa ma, enye mi wo. I said me put more than 10 beer freezer when you focus about friend and bad as yet. It me crime candlelight, so straight to action. To a woman my satisfaction, baby. Mama I give you more before your day was it baby. To a booba me, she know what my cause you love me like I love you. touch me like I touch you. I dey think about you every night. You over me, girl, I no go lie. Cause you dey kiss me like I kiss you. I say me sagua, uni suba, uni suba.